faster. Shorter and faster. Pop, 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 pop. Yes, there you go. Nice cast, Drew. Strip it, buddy. Strip. Strip. Hit it. Set it. Set it. Set it. Set it. Yes. Yes.
All right. Nice fish, Andrew.
Hey, come here, you sucker. Another smallmouth. Hey, look at his mouth. See the crawdad? You see it in there? Yeah, smallmouth. Your dad's got one. That's a nice one. That is a nice one. Well, that's a nice fish. Not yet, I don't think. I mean, a 12-inch steelhead. You know, you're not going to find like a 12-inch smallmouth.
You're right, because steelhead are so much bigger.
You know, I mean, I can't, you know, I've never caught an 8-pound largemouth, so I mean a smallmouth, so I can't say on that. But I know from, you know, 12 to 20 inches, there's no comparison. They're way better fighters. All right, get him up. See if we can slide him on up. Rod, your cast across from you, buddy. There it is. Perfect, man. Hit it. Yes.
Oh yeah.
That might be a good one.
That's a good
Hey,
one.
don't strip. Don't strip. Don't strip.
Don't strip it, Andrew.
Okay. All right. Yep. Just keep that rod up high. Nice work. Yeah.